If you are applying for RTE roles, do not position yourself as only a ceremony facilitator. The market wants more than someone who can run PI planning. Strong resume language should include PI planning, ART sync, Scrum of Scrums, system demos, and inspect and adapt. Include dependency management, risk management, flow metrics, Jira or ALM visibility, Scrum Master coaching, and executive communication. But be careful. Do not say, "I managed every team." I enabled ART alignment, improved delivery transparency, reduced bottlenecks, and supported predictable value delivery. That sounds like a mature RTE. It shows Scrum, Kanban, Lean, and SAFE thinking. Click the link below to book your free 15-minute Agile Career Forge discovery call.